जय हिंद एवरीवन। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है सभी सुखी होवे, सभी रोग मुक्त रहे, सभी मंगलमय घटनाओं के साक्षी बने और किसी को भी दुख का भागी न बनना पड़े।
Let us discuss the second question of exercise 14.4. Over here you are said, draw any line segment PQ. Take any point R, not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. So what we are supposed to do? First of all, as always we do, we have drawn a line L and we have taken a point R not on it. आप कितने भी डिस्टेंस से ले सकते हो, आप यहाँ पे लेना चाहते हो तो वहाँ पे भी ले सकते हो, यहाँ पे लेना चाहते हो तो वहाँ पे, मतलब लाइन गैप इज़ नॉट फिक्स्ड। आपको सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखना है कि इट शुड बी नॉट ऑन लाइन एल। नाउ वी हैव टू टेक रेडियस अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कन्वीनियंसी। तो कितनी रेडियस लेंगे उस इसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, आपने कितना डिस्टेंस रखा है आर का एल से। तो इजीली आर्क बन सके उतना आप ले सकते हो रेडियस। तो so put pointer on R point, then you have to draw a semicircle like this way. उतनी रेडियस आपको लेनी है, ठीक है, कि इजीली ऐसे सेमी सर्कल आप ड्रॉ कर सको। नाउ वेरेवर दिस सेमी सर्कल इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन एल, गिव नेम पी क्यू. Give name PQ. So here our line segment PQ is ready. Now you have to draw a perpendicular line to PQ which is passing through point R. So what can we do? Now measure this distance, measure this PQ. It is around 10 centimeter. ये मेरा मेज़रमेंट है, ठीक है। आप लोगों ने जितना डिस्टेंस ये आर का लिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी ये आर्क बनेगी एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ये पी क्यू का मेज़रमेंट आपको मिलेगा। नाउ half of the 10 is 5 centimeter. So we have to choose now a radius which is more than the half of 10. So half of the 10 is 5 centimeter. So I need to choose more than 5 centimeter. So let me take 6 centimeter of the radius. So again you have to measure 6 centimeter from with the help of compass and scale, that is ruler. So again we have to repeat the same steps as we have done with P as a center. See, I have taken radius of 6 centimeter. Now with P as a center, I have to draw an arc above the line L and below the line L. Now with Q as a center, I need to again draw an arc on line L and draw another arc below the line L. So like this way you have to make two arcs with each as a center, that is P as a center and Q as a center. So two arcs must be above the line L and two arcs must be below the line L. Now wherever the point has intersected, wherever points are intersected, let us give name. Let us give name P. And over here let me give name O. Now intersection is done now. So now we have to join this P and R. See, हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है कि थ्रू R ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर टू PQ. तो हमें R को कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. सो द अवर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन मस्ट पासिस थ्रू द पॉइंट R. So our perpendicular line is ready, that is PR. ठीक है. और wherever this perpendicular line is intersecting line L, we will give one more name, that is L. So like this way we have to draw a perpendicular line. So our construction is ready. We have drawn perpendicular line which is passing through R, which is present not on the line L, or we can say on the line segment PQ. Steps of construction I will send you in the PDF. So don't worry about steps of the construction, but you have to make sure how we have drawn. Let me revise the points again. We have drawn first of all line L of any measurement. You know very well that for drawing line we don't need to measure anything. Now mark any of the point R which is not on the line L. From point R, take convenient radius and draw an semicircle like this way. Wherever this semicircle is intersecting line L, give name P and Q. Now you have to measure PQ. Whatever measurement of yours is there, you have to select the radius for the next arc, which should be greater than the half of the PQ. तो यहाँ पे मेरा मेजरमेंट आया था 10, तो 10 का हाफ होता है 5, और मैंने 5 से ज़्यादा सिलेक्ट की, दैट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ take that measurement 6 centimeter with the help of compass and ruler. Then put a pointer of your compass on point P and draw an arc above the line L and below the line L. Repeat the same steps with the Q as a center. Draw an arc above the line L and draw an arc below the line L. ठीक है. Now wherever these two arcs are intersecting, give name P and O respectively. You can give any of the letter over here. O, P, इसकी जगह पे कोई भी लेटर यूज कर सकते हो. Now join this P and O. Now again one thing you have to be very careful while joining the PO. These line must get through the R point, because क्वेश्चन में हमको ऐसा पूछा है कि आपकी जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट होगा, इट मस्ट पास थ्रू द R. दैट इज वाई ये जो लाइन है इट मस्ट पास फ्रॉम द R पॉइंट. तो ऐसे आपको ये लाइन सेगमेंट बनाना है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट द परपेंडिकुलर टू PQ. Now these two lines are intersecting at a single point. Give the name L. So our construction is ready. So same way you will try for the third question by your own. आप third question अपने आप से solve करने की try करोगे. ठीक है. If you don't know how to do, then we will discuss during the online class. But जब तक आपको PDF नहीं मिलती है, आपको ये क्वेश्चन के स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन अपने आप से लिखने की ट्राई करनी है. So this is for today. Next we will discuss in next class.